Hello, good evening, everybody. With affairs with our family, we must keep doing what we're doing. It's going to pay off. They say there's ultimate happiness coming your way in the home and with your family members. You're slowly but surely getting ahead, and you're going to get balance and justice in the home. Also, there is something you always wished for, and that maybe is balance and love in the home. And that's coming to you very soon. You are being shown the way. You are going to get some notice of some kind, and things that you've been stressing about that you've let go of. That's going to help you in that area a great deal. Um, you must be careful not to take risks. You set your healthy boundaries now, move forward with that. You are receiving a lot of love and care and guidance from your loving angels and your loved ones in heaven. You have moved away from things that served you in the past, just don't serve you anymore. And they say that there's good news coming your way in that area. You will be receiving or being given someone a precious gift. You've got a lot of love, deep affection, and caring in your heart at the moment, and you're following your own light. You moving away from troubled times to peace and harmony. They also say you're getting recognition and financial gain, and this usually comes from something you did in the past. You're rekindling your relationships, and there's lots of brightness coming your way in your monies, in your relationships, everything. My wish to you, remember that the Ten of Pentacles. There's opportunities that are waiting for you, so stay aligned with your higher self. Persevere and you will overcome obstacles. Things are speeding up now, but it's going to bring improvements in your life. And we got the star card, which says there's brightness and hope coming our way. They say we must share the message of love, and then they also, the next card is share. When you share, everyone feels happy. Simplify your life, and they say new beginnings are on the horizon. Have a lovely evening, everybody. You know I love you dearly. Night, night.